Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll see how to connect Simvoly with Google Sheets using Integrately automatically capture leads from Simvoly and send it straight into Google Sheets. First, head over to Integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. To begin, search for and select Simvoly as your first application. Next, search for and select Google Sheets as your second application. Now locate the automation that creates a Google Sheets row whenever a new Simvoly order is placed, and click Activate. You'll be prompted to connect your Simvoly account. Enter your API key and system domain, then click Continue. After that, connect your Google Sheets account, grant the necessary permissions, and select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use. In the Automation Builder, you can customize the workflow. For example, map the customer name from Simvoly to the first name column in your sheet. Once everything is set up, test the automation and turn it on to make it live. You'll find the direct links to set up this automation in the description below. And that's it. We just learned how to connect Simvoly with Google Sheets using Integrately. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for more details.